What warning signs can appear before a roof collapses? Many homeowners miss the early signs until major structural damage has already started. Key indications of a possible roof collapse include sagging roof lines, severe leaks, cracking or popping noises, bowing support structures, and visible structural damage. These warning signs can develop over time and may point to serious issues that need immediate attention. If you're in Ridgefield and notice your roof starting to sag or hear unusual creaking sounds during storms or after heavy rain, it's important to have it inspected before the damage worsens. For trusted roof installation services, contact Mighty Dog Roofing of Fairfield County. We help homeowners identify roofing problems early and protect their homes with professional solutions.